Straight Talk add-ons not working? First, ensure your device supports the add-on type. Hotspot add-ons require a compatible smartphone, while data add-ons work on most 4G, 5G devices. Then, restart your device. This simple step often resolves temporary connectivity issues. Check your account balance and add-on status in the My Straight Talk app. Version 4.2 or later is recommended for the latest features. Common errors like add-on not available or payment failed often link to expired payment methods. Verify your payment details in the app. Activation usually takes 1 to 2 hours, but delays can happen, especially during peak times like back-to-school season. Be patient and check back later. Ensure your SIM card is compatible and your device's firmware is up to date. Outdated components can cause add-on failures. For hotspots, set the APN to TF data on Android or configure it in iOS settings. Incorrect APN settings can prevent hotspot functionality. If problems persist, move to the next section for advanced solutions and expert tips. If basic troubleshooting fails, check for Straight Talk network outages in your area. Outdated My Straight Talk app versions are a frequent cause, so update immediately. User forums like Reddit's r/Straight Talk can provide community-sourced solutions. Contact Straight Talk support via live chat, but be prepared for wait times averaging 20 to 30 minutes. If you face rural connectivity issues with hotspots, manually switch to LTE mode. Auto-renew add-ons to avoid lapses. If billing errors occur, like add-ons expiring early, monitor account statements closely and request refunds. As a last resort, consider third-party apps for network diagnostics and quicker fixes than standard customer service. Telecom analyst Craig Moffett from Bernstein Research advises opting for auto-renewal to avoid lapses. Nielsen data indicates 40% of Straight Talk users add hotspots monthly, so you're not alone in experiencing these issues.